When you spend $80,000 on a renovation, you really need to ask yourself, how much of this money will I see back when I sell or when you move to a bigger home? Most people spend on trends that expire. Real investors spend on architectural value that lasts. When a buyer walks into your HDB or condo in 5 years, they aren't looking at your loose furnitures. They are looking at the bones of the house. Clean, integrated lighting makes the space look larger, more modern, and significantly more expansive than a standard flat. Now this is Haga. We've engineered this to be a permanent asset in your home. It's a coveless system that integrates directly into the wall's structure. It doesn't age and it doesn't yellow. It's the ultimate way to deliver a high-spec finish that actually justifies a premium valuation. Now, a lot of people see our videos and think this is just for mood. But look at this. Visit our gallery. Customers are always shocked by how powerful, how bright this system actually is. You get the soft, indirect glow, but yet with enough brightness to light up your entire space, your life. It's performance meets luxury. I would actually love to hear from all the homeowners. When you do a renovation, do you actually just do it thinking about the present moment? Or when you renovate, you have a future-proofing idea at the back of your head where you're trying to create a home that can last for you and your family? Let me know.